Alrighty guys, market open in 4 seconds. It's been long since we've done a trade, live session, recording, whatever. But I'm back for the first half of this week. Alright, so what I'm looking for today is buy side to get taken out. Then maybe want to go and take out these lows. Today's bias is a little different. But no matter what, I know these highs are gonna get taken out. On the high time frame, we've just had a mini retrace. Might want a continuation higher, like on the daily. Had a retrace. Might want to continue higher. But for the daily profile, we had accumulation on Asia session. We had manipulation of Asia highs during London session. Now what I'm looking for is distribution. So that's why I know we're going to take out the highs no matter what today. But it's a different story if we want to, distribute. But not going to be looking forward to taking a trade today just because it's a no news Monday. But recently market has been really volatile. Like, look at this shit, bro. It's just market open, bro. What you getting so hyped about? Alright. Lows got taken. Those are just hourly lows though. My dog is going crazy, man. Good thing about this is we got multiple equal highs right here. Relative equal highs. Definitely gonna get ran through. 100%, man. Also, I've just dropped the liquidity video. Go ahead and check that out. Episode 4 of the playbook. I've already planned for episode 5, which is gonna be imbalances and fair value gaps. Stay tuned for that, man. ES might want to take out these lows while NQ just takes out these lows or these low resistance lows before it reverse up. Just gonna be patient, man. I've been thinking about changing the series to live account instead of a 1.5k demo, just because it's easier to scale on my live account. In TradingView, the risk is kind of high. I mean, way higher than what I expected, especially on NQ. One contract could lose me like $50, maybe $30, which is higher than what I like to risk, at least for the start. Yes, it's moving though. NQ is definitely the lagging index. Might wait for macro. See what price wants to do. Here is itchy, bro. Are you serious, bro? You gonna take out the lows or what? We got 3 more here. We got 2 more here for you, man. You gonna take those lows or what? Alright, we just took a London session lows. Let's look for a reversal. Risk to reward isn't going to be great on this. Unless we get a break or structure or something else. Wouldn't mind holding to these highs, to be honest. I might just take a trade on my live account instead of the demo, because I can risk lesser there. Alright, once we invalidate this, once we get closure above the 79 line, I'll enter a small position on my live, not on this demo. Risk for the demo is way too huge, man. Yes, looks better to trade on, but wouldn't mind getting a down close candle. Alright, looks like we want to go lower. Damn. My head is itching, bro. Let's see if we want to break structure on both ES and NQ. We also have a mini bearish fair value gap right here. Now how is this looking like? Not too good either, eh? I mean, better than the first potential trade. Breaking structure on ES right now. Potentially. Still at 30 seconds. No, I'm not considering that a break, man. I mean, on ES we definitely got a break. On NQ it's on par, so man, I accidentally entered an extra position, so I had to close that out. Anyways, in a small little trade right now, risking way less than 10% of my account. I mean 5%. Wait, how much is 1%? Yeah, I'm risking about 1% of my account, 1.5 to be exact, but I mean on my live demo, so I mean on my, damn bro, I can't speak for shit. I'm risking 1% of 1.5% of my live account, not risking it on demo. Should be the opposite, ain't it? But anyways, like I said, the sizing on this demo account, this 1.5k account, is way too much. Especially if I want to take a trade on NQ, but I can do so on my live account. Just because I can risk way lesser, like 5 times lesser, I think. Which is great. Like if this account was way lesser, I would definitely enter one right here. Put the stops at this low. Target this high and this high. Potentially these highs too. But I can't, because Risk is too much, man. This is how I manage risk on this account. That's why I'm debating on whether I should go back to the live account. I mean, not go back to the live account, but start showing the live account instead of the 1.5 demo, because the risk over there is way more realistic and scaling is way more manageable. Anyways, I entered like right here. As soon as the candle closed, I know you're gonna. Why is your risk reward so ash, man? Shut up, little boy. I mean, the first TP isn't great. I admit that. But I had to wait for confirmation, because I ain't taking no risky trade like that. We didn't break structure to the upside, so I wasn't willing to take a trade off this candle. Had to wait for a clear break, which was here. And the reason why I didn't take a trade on an ES is because, as you can tell, ES is so far down, bro, as compared to NQ. We're already halfway there, man. ES is like 1/3 of the way there. Anyways, no news Monday, no news Tuesday. We got CPI on Wednesday. That's why I believe volatility won't be that great this week, especially for the first 2 days. Especially with Tuesday, to be fair. Thursday we got PPI. Friday we got... I'm not trading on Friday, man. I might not even trade on Thursday, bro. I don't think I got time. If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I didn't enter, man. I'm just modifying my positions. Had my TP at the wrong area, bro. We also got the SMT here, man. Huge SMT, bro. I don't think I'll be posting this video on a 1.5k challenge. I'm gonna post it on my normal trade recap, just cause I didn't take a trade on my challenge account. I literally have a what do I call that, bro? I have a note on my monitor that shows my position sizing just cause I can't remember. I have a de-risk day size, damn bro. A de-risk day sizing, a normal risk sizing, and a high sizing, which is for my A+ setups. Or on days I'm willing to go heavier just because I'm gonna be taking less trades. This should get ran through. We have pre-market, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Time is fractal, man. Hourly we had accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I don't know what this shit is, bro. How is ES going down but NQ going up? Shit don't make sense, bro. But it's today's 9 June. Gotta take a piss, man. Hold up, man. I gotta top up my. Gotta make a top. I gotta add more money. To my investment account. For my auto investment. My long-term investments. Where's the feel cologne? Where's that? Right, I funded it. Done. Cash balance updated. This is for my long-term stocks, man. I'm playing it both ways. I'm not gay, bro. Crypto has been looking not too great, but not too bad either. respect the Bitcoin. These are where my TP areas. We were in the dump for a while, had to retrace. If you have not yet watched my new video, liquidity comes in form of retraces, exactly what Bitcoin did, and then boom. Same with the S&P. Damn, bro. Right here, when Trump talked about tariffs, had a huge dump for the week. I bought somewhere around here. Yes, those are long-term growth investments, so I can only long it. But of course, because of Trump talking about tariffs, price dumped all the way negative 3.88%, 4% technically. That's when I bought. I also bought for NQ, about the same place. After we took out this low, I was willing to buy more if we took out this low too. But we're not here to talk about my long-term investments, are we? We want that fast money. I'm just joking, man. We could reverse completely here to continue distribution of the range after taking out low time frame highs. Wouldn't be mad about that, because I entered low sizing. Damn. Entered low sizing for my early entry. We did break structure to the upside on the 5 minute though. Could mean nothing, because after we break, we took out liquidity. 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 Damn, bro. Liquidity. Once again, no news Monday. Not taking heavy trades. If I take a loss on the day, I'm taking the loss. I'm not taking another trade. There's no point putting there's no point. Damn. There's no point putting yourself at risk. Putting your money at risk for something not even worth it. We retrace to equilibrium of the range. Exactly equilibrium, bro. Man, this is why I love whatever I've learned. It just makes so much sense, bro. At least to me. Did you guys miss me? Go ahead and follow my TikTok channel, man. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll be doing at least 3 posts a week, I guess. I'll try to. If I have the time, I'll definitely do it. No doubt, man, no doubt. If I don't, I'll force the time to do it, man. Go ahead and find some motivation for yourself in the TikTok, man. Yes, have yet to break structure to the upside on the 5 minutes. Be looking out for that. I might do a mock trade on ES if we do break structure, but I will not take a trade. Really gotta take a piss, man. Yo, watch this trade for me, man. I gotta take a piss real bad. I'm back, man. Today's weird, man. Got like consolidation, And we got big moves down. Then we got big moves up. We got consolidation. Big move up. What's wrong with today's candle, man? Damn, bro. That shit nasty. Gonna have a good night's sleep today, man. Haven't had one in a long time. Except for last night, but alright. This video's already 30 minutes long, bro. Almost 40 minutes. Just by doing nothing. We're doing something. Damn. Previous day highs are right here. Which are these highs? Honestly, wouldn't be surprised if we target that. I don't want to be stuck in a trade for an hour, bro. I'm gonna stop recording at 10:15 or 10:20, or if my first TP gets hit, and then I'm gonna do an update on the trade. We'll see which one comes first, or if both TP gets hit. Can't rule anything out, man. TP one hit. Moving to break even right now. Alright, move to break even. Man. It's hard to be a faceless creator, man. No one wants to watch your videos, but I still do it. thought about the consequences of showing my face. Honestly, I'm not doing this for fame. I don't have to show my face at all, bro. I'm just gonna be the faceless trader. Television. The only people who will really know who I am are my friends. Maybe my family if they come across my content. But I don't think that will happen. Got a break? Nope. 3 minutes, bro. Anyways, I don't think I will ever show my face on social media. But things might change, bro. You gotta see. In the future, I might show my face to students I take in, if I do get a chance. Nah, man, positive mindset. I'm gonna do it, bro. I definitely will do it, bro. Nah, I can't do it, man. No, I gotta do it, man. You know what? We'll see, man. What else, man? What else? If I show my face on social media, I don't want to be recognized. People might say I'm doing it for fame. Honestly, I'm not. Otherwise, I wouldn't be recording this often. I don't want to be doing it for the money either. There's other ways I can get money. Just, yeah, man. Damn, bro. Shit, bro. We got 1 minute for this candle to close. Might get a retrace after. Or form a bullish fair value gap. We'll see about that. If we do get a bullish fair value gap on ES, I believe our TP would have already gotten hit on NQ. I mean, we've already made money on the day, man. Runners are just for extras or confirmation of strategies. Alright, this video is already 45 minutes long. I'm gonna stop the recording here. I'm still gonna be monitoring the charts. And I'll come back with an update whether we hit TP or break even on the day. I mean on the trade. For my second position. I mean for my... Damn, bro. For the rest of my position. So I'll see you in a bit, man. Peace. Alright, we are back, man. Anyways, as you can tell, we hit full TP today. I'm gonna go ahead and go over the trade one more time. Just for you losers who weren't paying attention. Today's buyers initially was shorts, honestly, but I was willing to go long too because of the I don't know how to explain this, man. Because of high time frame order flow, it's been really bullish. Also, I was willing to take shorts too because of the daily profile. We had accumulation, manipulation, so I was looking for some sort of distribution. We did just that by taking our London session lows. That's when I was ready to take longs. Zoom into 1 minute right here. As soon as we took out those lows, I was looking for my 1 minute entry. We inverse this fair value gap right here. We broke structure to the upside on this candle. This is when I longed. My stops was all the way at these lows. First TP, not that great, man. Not gonna lie to you, it's horrible. First TP right here. Second TP right here. We hit full take profit today. I risked about 1% of my account. I made 2%. I'm gonna show. Wait. Let me just go up here. I'm gonna show you the screenshot of where my entry is and my exit were on MetaTrader. Hopefully I remember to edit this in, but alright. Anyways. Full TP hit. Anyways, if there was a 5-minute entry, which there was on ES, we tapped into this order block right here. Now this breaker block right here. Hold up, I'm confused now. Yeah, this order block right here. Or was it a breaker, bro? Huh. Screw that shit, man. We tapped into this order breaker block right here. Call it whatever you want, man. We had a rejection. Could have taken longs here. Stops below the breaker. First TP, second TP, also a third TP, I think. Nope. But I wasn't willing to risk any more money because it's a no-news Monday, like I've said many times today. That's why I was only going to take one trade, and this was the only trade, man. Great start to the week. Oh, I can't. Damn, I shouldn't have. Still got a journal, man. Yes, I still journal, man. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something from it. Hope you downgrade yourself. Enjoy the rest of the day, man. I definitely will. Gonna take a big fat nap after this, man. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, like and subscribe. Catch you in my next video, man. Peace out. Bye bye. See ya.